Welcome to episode 35. So, Kei-sensei, after rocking the karaoke box last time, I wanted to experience that classic cinematic Tokyo nightlife. I stumbled away from the main neon avenues and found this tiny, misty alleyway. It was packed with miniature bars that only seat about 5 or 6 people each. It felt like traveling back in time. What do you call those iconic hidden alleyways?
Welcome back, everyone. Oh, Leo, you found a Yokocho. In Japan, those narrow, nostalgic alleys packed with tiny bars and food stalls are called Yokocho. They have so much character, and the bars inside are simply called bar. It's the best place to chat with locals.
Yokocho. Yes, it was amazing. I found a tiny bar with an old wooden door and decided to peek inside. But before I tell you about the surprise waiting for me at the counter, let's practice this beautiful word for our listeners.
Let's do it. Listen to the long O sound and repeat after me. Yokocho.
All right, so I squeeze into this tiny bar. The master smiles, pours me a water, and slides a tiny dish of potato salad in front of me. I didn't order it, so I was sweating thinking I was being scammed. But my friend whispered that it's a mandatory cover charge that comes with a small appetizer. What is that called?
Haha, don't worry, Leo. You weren't being scammed. That is a very unique Japanese custom called Otoshi. It's a small seating fee or table charge appetizer that almost every traditional bar or izakaya serves automatically instead of a cash cover charge.
Ah, Otoshi. Okay, so it's a cover charge you can actually eat. That makes me feel way better. So if I want to ask the bartender politely how much that seating fee is, can I just say, Otoshi wa ikura desu ka?
Brilliant, Leo. Yes. Ikura desu ka means how much is it? So, otoshi wa ikura desu ka is the perfect way to check. Let's practice. First, just the word for the charge. Repeat after me. Otoshi. And now the full question. Otoshi wa ikura desu ka?
Fantastic! Otoshi wa ikura desu ka? Now, the bartender serves my drink, and the 3 locals sitting next to me lift her glasses and look right at me. I knew I needed to say cheers in Japanese, but my mind went completely blank. What is the magic word for toasting?
Oh, you cannot skip this word in a yokochu. Cheers in Japanese is kanpai. It literally means dry glass or empty your cup. But today, it just means have fun. You clink your glasses and say it loudly.
Oh, kanpai. I've definitely heard that in movies. If I want to buy a drink for the friendly local next to me who just gave me a travel tip, how would I ask the bartender where is the menu to pick something using our doko desu ka phrase?
That's so generous of you. You would look at the bartender and say, Menu wa doko desu ka? Let's practice both. First, our toast. Repeat. Kanpai. And to ask for the menu, Menu wa doko desu ka?
Perfect. Menu wa doko desu ka? So we had an incredible night, shared stories, said kanpai about 10 times, and it was finally time to head back to the hotel. I wanted to ask for the bill. What is the polite phrase to ask for the check in a bar?
To ask for the bell politely, you say, Okeiki onegai shimasu. The word for account or bill is okeiki, and followed by our favorite phrase. It means check, please.
That makes perfect sense. It sounds very useful.
It is. Let's try it. Repeat after me. Okeiki onegai shimasu. You navigated the Tokyo nightlife like a true local, Leo. Before we finish our coffee here at Cafe Jupiter, let's do a quick late-night vocabulary check. Ready?
I'm ready.
Alleyway. Yokocho. Table charge appetizer. Otoshi. Cheers. Kanpai. The bill. Okaike.
I paid the okeike, said goodbye to my new friends, and walked out of the Yokocho with a massive smile on my face. Japanese bar culture is unmatched. Thanks, Kei-sensei. Next time on episode 36, we're shifting gears from the traditional nightlife to the ultimate geek paradise. We are heading straight into the electric town of Akihabara. We'll learn how to navigate anime shops, talk about electronic gadgets, and dive deep into Japan's famous otaku culture.
またね